Day one, sanding.
Cheese!
We've got the professionals in, measuring the windows. And we're both looking very grey. I don't know if it's just buying a house or
I've actually seen myself in the mirror.
sanding, but you know when you're doing room one and you're like, yeah, this is good. It's like 1/10 of the house. So I forgot to film the last 3 days and Emily was moaning at me. So this is day 4, so we skipped a few days, but just to top you up on the process, we've tested out our old boiler. A few of the radiators work, a few of them don't. Got my kettle in. Emily hates it, but I love it. Mugs, many alcohol from friends, etc, etc, etc. Funky bottle Ryan got me. I think that's pretty cool. My fridge and my fridge freezer. I do need to change the fronts, but we could do that, that's easy. Haven't touched the front room yet, so that Emily's put up like a little curtain type thing. All the rooms have been sanded. Harrison's rooms had 2 layers of white. All the roofs have been done. Roofs? Ceilings have been done white. And Emily is focusing really hard on cutting in. But this is fully painted once. We've done the ceilings twice yet. Ceilings are done in here. It's just the blue, and I get the lovely job of attacking the grey with a hint of blue. I get the lovely job of attacking the ugly cupboard. But we are getting there. Day 4, but we get to go on holiday tomorrow down to St Ives. And then we'll be back to continue. Best go right in it. So we are now on day 6. There's a little update, Emily. It's been doing this cupboard for about 4 days.
I have not been doing it.
But we're nearly finished in here. We just need to do one more coat of grey on the walls. Then we got to sand all of downstairs. That's maybe my job, Emily's job as well. We'll just have the gardening team coming in. Emily's parents coming to do some gardening. Me and Dad came yesterday, measured up all the windows, so we're ready to buy all them. And yeah, good. But this is our first full day here. This is the first proper day. Normally it's just evenings. We're going to get on it, aren't we?
Yeah. And the team in.
The front door's open, mate. Yeah. Yesterday, which is Sunday, which was day 5 technically, we did a little bit of touching up and cutting in and things like that, nothing major. But today we've had the whole day. First main bit of this evening, you've seen the little clip from this morning, is that the beast is in the garage. We've got our new back gate lock and it's freshly painted, both sides. All the garden fence is now done by Emily's parents, so thank you very much. Soil all the way around, and this is all made a little bit prettier. They even mowed the grass for us, and then we got to start filling in that beauty slowly. But cars in the garage, which I was quite pleased about because it is quite a small garage, it's quite skinny. But we squeezed it in there alright, so that's all looking a lot prettier because only 2 panels were painted first of all. But yeah, looking decent. Front door will be changed soon, hopefully. Emily's getting way too creative. Aren't you, Emily?
Yeah.
With her mountains.
Set myself a task.
In Harrison's room. So we taped all up with frog tape.
We.
Wow, Emily did. I had to make it look pretty afterwards though. I had to put all the points in. The blues in the middle and grey.
Grey on the outside.
And grey on the outside. Our main bedroom's nearly done, but we ran out of paint. So we've still got to do the little one, this one, and this one, but the rest is done. Just got to do all the wood with some special paint. Emily still needs to choose a colour for the spare bedroom. And I get the privilege of sanding the whole of this by myself, all alone, but I've done sort of those walls around there. I just need to do the ceiling, and that might be it for tonight, to be fair. But the kitchen is getting more and more crowded and messy with random food and stuff. We got sent the wrong toaster. This is Emily's based versus my based. It's supposed to be white Wickham cream, so we're getting that changed on Wednesday. Yeah, all is going well for sort of the end of the first week. We're on sort of day 6 tomorrow once again, which will be sort of touching up the paint in Harrison's room and things like that. I'm going to post out sort of weekly videos of how we're getting along, but it's slow and steady, but we're making our remark on it, which is pretty decent. So if you guys are enjoying the videos, put little comments down below, give us a like and things like that, because I didn't really expect to do home videos, but I think it'd be quite nice for sort of us as a memory to see how our house changed, but also for other people to see how we're changing it and what we're doing. We are very much amateur, so any of the paint and things like that is maybe taking a little bit longer, but we're getting there. So yeah, I will do some more filming next week. Sometimes day by day, sometimes there'll be a few gaps, depending on how sort of fast we do things. But yeah, you'll see weekly videos, hopefully, of our house and the progress towards finally living in it. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next week. Cheers.